What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today I am vlogging on my brand new Sony fx30. Now this is my first cinema camera. This is an upgrade from my a6400, and I thought I would take it out and kind of give it the reins. Now I've had this camera for about 2 weeks and I've been learning a little bit about it. It's still a little bit of a complicated camera in terms of what I had before, which was the a6400. So I'm still kind of getting some of the settings dialed down and whatnot, but I believe right now I'm shooting in 4K. I believe it's 60 S-Log 3, and I do have an ND filter on because it is a little bright, and so I live in Alaska, so still, although springtime has hit, as you can see, there is still snow on the ground. And I am shooting on a Sigma 16mm f1.4. This was from my a6400. Still think it's one of the best vlogging lenses out there for the money, especially for the APS-C censored cameras. And so what you see in the background is, I forgot what the bay is called, but probably won't be able to see it, but in the corner over there, that giant tall mountain, that's what we call, the Alaska natives call it the sleeping lady. It kind of resembles a lady that's actually laying down on the ground. So if you've seen videos or pictures of it, kind of resembles that. But this is just kind of a quick intro vlog on this camera. And again, like I said, I'm getting the settings kind of dialed down. So, got any feedback, let me know. Again, it's not a complicated camera, but it is, if you've never used a cinema lineup camera ever before, it will take some getting used to learning. Like I said, I went from the a6400 to the fx30, so two completely different cameras. So just keep that in mind if you're looking to buy a cinema camera and you want to spend a lot of money. This is $1,800 for this. I didn't buy it with the XLR handle because I didn't really need that, and I prefer to buy my own handle for this camera. I do have a small rig mount for this, and I did do an unboxing of that, so I have a link down below for that, as well as if you want to take a look at the unboxing of my fx30. I'll drop a link down below for that. But that's all that I got for today. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.